Hello guys, it's a mismatched. Have you ever heard of a dance upgrade pattern before? Yes, you heard it right, a dance upgrade pattern. But before that, let me just express that this pattern that I share may benefit some and some may not, but my best advice is to try this only once or twice a day. If ever it is successful, then at least take a full day rest for tomorrow that you may try again, and don't push it too far. So all you need is to get some basic success failed pattern with a deco gear. Let's say that we got a pattern, then we go home and stand beside the upgrader and wait for your avatar to dance, and after that dance, hit that upgrade button. So, ready for this lesson? Let's us record this for us to see the pattern. Failed. Success. Success. Success.
Hey, 今度こそ成功させてみせる。
Failed. That's a pattern for me, so let's go home. If you will experience the same, don't hesitate. Anyway, this is a high chance to get a success than failed. But if you failed, don't push it too far. Rather reset your deco pattern. In this way, it will lessen unnecessary expenses on your part. Where's my pet? There. So we stand just beside here and directly put the gear that you want to upgrade, and 2 wait for the avatar to dance. If you see your pet having an emoticons while upgrading, cancel that and reset. That's a high chance to fail signal. Again, we stand beside it. Choose the item and wait for the dance moves. Ahaha. Then after the dance, just click the upgrade button. Notice the pattern? Do you think that the system forgets it? I mean, after the time have lapsed. What do you think? Should you continue if you were doing this? Fainted heart. As I chose the item, the avatar is already dancing, so we wait for the next one. There's the dance move. Success. Don't do this as a habit. 1 or 2 upgrade a day with the pattern. There is always tomorrow. You can't be stronger in just a day. We all know that.